Did you ever forget a password? Probably yes, but with me, that will never happen again, and I'm gonna show you how, and we're gonna start right now. How you doing? My name is Claudio Varela and welcome to the episode number 3 of the series Make It Simple. Today we're going to talk about a password manager called Dashlane. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to check the links below, that will start on the video number 1 of this series, and there will be links for the rest of the series as well. Forgetting the password is getting more common in this century, where people create accounts for everything, from social media to online shopping or emails. But with Dashlane, you have all your passwords safe and securely protected, with just one password. To set up Dashlane, insert your email and one password that you will never forget. Once you did this step, you can start managing your passwords. This app works on Android and iOS, and it's free to use on any device including Windows and Mac. Selecting the Passwords menu will allow you to add your accounts and organize them. You can select from a range of selected apps already available, or you can just insert a new one. To create, just press on the plus button and start saving your account passwords. Another good feature in this app is the password generator. You can personalize the type of password you want to create, and the color will change regarding how safe it will be, from red being extremely unsafe to green being super safe. Then you just need to copy the password and paste into the account that you want to use. Memorizing these long passwords will be hard, but with the auto login option you will never need to type them again. Other two good options are the Secure Notes, where you can store important info like Wi-Fi passwords or bank information, and the Inbox Scan. This will allow Dashlane to scan all the accounts created with your email and import them to Dashlane. The Wallet menu allows you to set up your personal info like name, address, contacts, etc. Then you have the Payments option, which is an amazing option since most people don't trust on online payments. This option will avoid you from storing your payment info online. You can as well set up your IDs, like passport, driving license, and then you get a notification 3 months before the expiration date. Dashlane allows you to set up emergency contact with someone you trust that will need to access your information and passwords. Or as well, have someone that is Dashlane trusting you with their information. You can always upgrade to the premium version in case you like the extra features, but as a free app, Dashlane already offers a perfect service for your mobile phone. Dashlane is one of the most powerful and versatile password managers on the market. The service goes above and beyond password management, with strong form filling features and the ability to securely store virtually any kind of data, such as Password Changer, which lets you instantly change hundreds of passwords with a single click, are tremendous time savers and help set up Dashlane apart from the rest of the pack. Password Changer is still not available on Android devices. Dashlane prides itself on zero knowledge, meaning that even the company can't access any of your data. If you have any questions about this video or comments, please leave them down below and I will help if I can. And I have a question for you today. What is the methods that you use to protect your own passwords? If you are really interested in using apps that will help you, make sure that you check the rest of the videos of the series. The links will be down below in the description. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, make sure that you share this video and give a like. See you soon.